Hello and welcome everybody in today's video. In it, I will be explaining to you how you can create your own NFTs and upload them to Binance. Quickly before that, ANY, our sponsors for today's video. If you want to trade easily and quickly online crypto, they're the ones for you. Go check them out down in the description below. Also, FTMO, our affiliates. Do you want to trade with other people's money? Do you want to keep up to 90% of the profits for yourselves? Go check them out. You need to prove to them that you're a professional trader and all this can be a reality for you. Alright, so NFTs. Everybody wants to upload and create NFTs to sell for personal gain and finance. Go to Binance and click on NFTs and you will see that you don't have anywhere a creation button. Usually you will have a create button right over here, and when you press it, you'll be able to select what type of NFT you want to create: an image, a video, or an audio. Usually most people go with the image type NFTs. Videos are quite preferably to be whooped for a more aesthetic appeal. That also includes GIFs, etc. But they're included in the image type, so I won't worry so much about in video. And of course audio NFTs as well. The maximum file size you can use is 50 megabytes, but you need to be an approved user, which I'm not, as you can see, because when I click on any of them, nothing happens. Let's see what happens when we refresh. Sorry, you do not have permissions to mint. You don't have mint permissions. How do you gain those mint permissions? Well, they used to have a campaign that's over right now, but I'm not sure if it's still applicable. But you used to have to send an email to nft@binance.com with the following: a brief self-introduction, your social media, what's your understanding on NFTs, what do you want to apply, etc, etc, etc. I'm pretty sure that even though, well, not pretty sure, semi-sure, so don't take this as facts, that you're still able to apply via this method by submitting maybe more credentials than required and all of the information other required, so you can become an approved user and sell your NFTs on their marketplace. So you can try that. I've searched and didn't find any other information. You can try it like this. Hope that this at least clears some things up for you, and I wish you success in your NFT minting. Alright, remember, this isn't any financial advice. Good luck and see you next time.